Alright, so what we're looking at right now is a Mercedes-Benz dealership out in Denver, Colorado. We have established that BIM was used during design and construction, and we have used that information to build this facility management model. So we extracted all the information from the Revit models, the 3D information, and the 2D parameters, and put it into a FM program. This one of choice is M6VEO. What we do is we establish master presets. So down here in the bottom right, you're going to see multiple views that we can set up beforehand and actually show off how we're doing this. So as this is an architectural view, and you can see everything, what we do is we set up actual transparencies for the facility managers. So now as we're looking around, we have walls, ceilings, and floors transparent. So you can see above the ceilings, below the floors, and inside the walls. Everything is built off of a zoom or double click the zoom basis. So if you find an element that you want to view, just double click it and you'll zoom into it. We can also show how we have built mechanical models. Blue is your supply air, green is your return air, pink is your fresh, and you're able to view everything that's going on. Up here in the top right, we have a search bar. And this search bar actually is allowed to see anything that's within the model. So as we continue to move forward, all you need to do is search for something within the model. If you get a CMMS ticket saying that there's a leak in the break room, all you have to do is come up here and state break room. And all of a sudden now we can double click, just like before, everything is double click to navigate, and it will zoom us into that break room. We also have a section box, so we can actually understand what is contained within this room, and then we can move it up and understand what's above the ceiling. So now, from going from a CMMS ticket that we have a leak in the ceiling, we now see that there's two VAV boxes up here and also our piping system. So now we understand where the leak might be coming from. The next part is considered archive, which what we do is we take all of the closeout documentation and we build it within this model too. So if you're coming in here and you click on one of the VAV boxes, under our selection tab, you can see the O&M manual and the warranty that is associated with that VAV box. So instead of having to go find the 3-ring binder, go find the information, it is now actually attached to the 3D model. And we can move around, we can select different components and understand what's going on. We can also attach training videos, URLs, the documentation in Revit files, DWGs, anything that is that is a file, we can put in here. This continually allows us to update also because it's a cloud-based program, so we can actually remotely update all facilities and then push it back to the facilities team that are out in the field. Once again, it's all about being able to see what systems we want to see when we want to see them.